Dear students, let us read this question. Oranges cost rupees 54 for 3 dozens in the supermarket. Look here children, this is 3 dozens. 1 dozen means 12 items. So 3 dozen means 36 items. So actually 36 oranges. 36 oranges, that is 3 into 12, because 1 dozen is equal to how much? 12. So 36 oranges cost rupees 54. This is what the first line is speaking here. Now what is the cost of 8 oranges? What is the cost of 8 oranges? More oranges you will buy, you will have to pay more amount. Less oranges you will buy, you will have to pay less amount. So this is the case of direct variation. So let us say, let us take X as number of oranges and Y as cost of oranges. Let us quickly make the table first. See, when you make the table, it becomes easier for you to solve the questions. X and Y. So, see here, cost of 36 oranges is 54. So, if you want to buy 8 oranges, what will be the cost? This is the case of direct variation. We have already discussed. So, X by Y is constant. Now what shall we do? 36 by 54 must be equal to 8 by your unknown number. This means your unknown number will come out when you will multiply 54 by 8 and divide it by 36. Now see here. 4 2s are 8 and 4 9s are 36. Now 9 1s are 9 and 9 6s are 54. So what you are getting here? 12. What is this 12? This is Y. And what is your Y? Y is cost of oranges. So cost of 8 oranges is rupees 12. This will be rupees. So the final answer is 8 oranges will cost rupees 12. Now let us see one more question. A car travels 60 kilometers in 1 hour 30 minutes. So see here, time is 1 hour 30 minutes and the distance traveled is 60 kilometers. How long will it take to cover a distance of 100 kilometers at the same speed? If you are going with the same speed, now you have to go for 100 kilometers. So how much time will it take? More distance, more time, because you are keeping the speed constant. So how will we start our solution? Let the distance covered be taken as how much? Let us say P, and time taken as Q. Now quickly make the table. X is your distance, Y is your time. Now see, 60 kilometers in 1 hour 30 minutes means 1.5 hours. So if you are going to take 100 kilometers, how much time? So this is the case of direct variation. So what will you do? This is a case of direct variation. So x by y is constant. So 60 by 1.5 will be equal to 100 by your unknown number. So this implies your unknown number will come out when you will multiply 100 with 1.5 and then you will divide it by 60. First cancel 0, 0. Now see, this has become 10 into C. 2 1 are 2 and 1 3. 3 by 2 whole by 6. You cancel 2 and 5. So you are getting 5 into 3 by 5 into, so I am writing this side, 5 into 3 by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So you are getting 5 by 2. So your unknown number is equal to how much? 5 by 2. That means 2.5 hours. So the car will take 2.5 hours to cover 100 kilometers with the same speed. Dear students, let us read the question. The extension of an elastic spring is found to vary directly with weight suspended from it. There is an elastic spring. Let us see, because spring means this. This is a spring. Suppose if you are suspending something here at this point and you are hanging like this. So what will happen? It will produce elongation like this. It will elongate. So what is he saying? If a weight of 75 kg, suppose 75 kg of weight is suspended from that particular spring. So it is going to produce 1.4 centimeter of elongation. Calculate the weight that would produce an extension of 9.8 centimeter. Now see here, if you are going to suspend more weight, then only you are going to get the elongation of 9.8 centimeter, because greater the weight, greater will be your elongation. More the weight suspended, more will be the elongation. So this is the case of direct variation. It is already given here also, very directly with the weight. So what will you say? Let x be the weight and y be the what? Elongation. Elongation means extension. Now make the column. What you are going to get in the column? So see, x and y. If you are putting 75 kg of weight, your elongation is 1.4. Now suppose you want 9.8 centimeter of elongation. How much weight you have to put? Now see, this is the case of direct variation. This is the case of direct variation. So what shall we do, children? Here, so x by y is constant. So what shall we do? 75 divided by 1.4 must give you your unknown number divided by 9.8. This implies your unknown number will be equal to 75 into 9.8 by 1.4. Now look here, children, 9.8 and 1.4 are what? They are like decimals. So when you have like decimals in the numerator as well as in the denominator, you can cancel the decimal. So you will get 75 into 98 by 14. Now see here, is it 14 6 are 98? See, 14 into 6 you find out whether 14 6 are 98 or not. I am seeing here 14 into 6. 14 6 4 is 6. No, 14 7 4 is 14 7 is. You see 7s are, huh? 7 4s are 28, 2 and 7 is 7 into 9. So it is 14 7s are 98. Okay, 14 ones are and 14 sevens are. So 75 into 7. 75 into 7 will give you 7 5s are 35, 3, 49 and 3. 49, 3, how much will be there? 52. So you will get 525 kg, because you are getting here, you are taking 75, it is given 75 kg. So you are getting 525 kg. What will be your final answer? Calculate the weight that would produce. So 525 kg of weight will produce an extension of how much? Of 9.8 centimeters. So this is your final answer.